All right, this is the Mask jackhammer, and it comes with a box, no instructions, but the original box from 1985. We've got Cliff Dagger action figure, no mask, and the vehicle itself with a little bit of damage, but let's see if we can get this thing transformed. Demonstrate it a little bit. Pushes up here, but also there's a catch here. If you push, it pops up. There you go. And has a little seat on it with weapons. Rotates all around. And Cliff Dagger can go on it. This particular one actually came with a gun here. It's missing in this kit. It would have attached in that little hole right there. And this thing comes up. You gotta kind of push it. There we go. To protect the guys inside. And then when you move it, the guns move in the front there. Pretty cool.